it's here at last. So I've been bleating on about this thing for the best part of 6 weeks now. Here it is. So let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is, I'm not actually going to do an unboxing thing. What I'm going to do though is I'm just going to open it up and just to let you see what's actually in this thing, and then I'll do a hyperlapse so I can get in bulk. So it's if you want to skip past that you can, but basically this is for the newbies who are wanting to learn, like me, 3D printing. What I've bought here is a Geeetech A10. This isn't the top of the range stuff there about. This is basically, I'm not even sure if it's middle market, but the Ender 3, which seems to be one of the most popular ones out there, this thing is actually on par with it. So, come on, let's see what I bought. So, first things first. I'm not really into these unboxing kind of things, but to be fair, I haven't seen this myself either, so it's something we're going to get to share. So now the thing itself is well packed. Now I can throw the knife away because I don't need that now. There's the wee safety bit. Right, so this is just all the instructions about what to do and how to do it. I've been watching a lot about this, and really this thing comes quite well packed. So I'll move this into shot here for you and try and fold this down, right? And to make things easier, actually, I forget that I can do this now, eh? Right, let's bring the screen back a bit. There you go. So let's see, what have we got here then? This here is the module which you power it off and on. With the motherboard on the back here, you've got your wee LCD screen here, okay? And this is basically where you do all the programming from as well. Now there's a... Oh! There isn't a... Now this is one of the things I'm wanting to look at, because there is a date comes up on one of the parts on this, and the one I viewed was a 2018, and I'm hoping this is a newer one, but time will tell. So there's a plug, and oh, right, that's fitted in with that, and this, there you go. This is the flatbed, okay, and that there is the bit that the thingy's onto. I'm going to put this over here. So that's the bottom bit. This bit is your Z-axis, or XY-axis, sorry, and this again, as you can see, look, it's mainly come pre-built, and then there's your hot end there. So that bit there, that's actually where the filament comes out, and that's where all the excitement happens. So I'll put that there. Free mouse mat and odds and ends. USB cable. Not sure what for, but we'll soon find out. Now, it even comes with tools. Oh wow! There is actually a micro SD card. This is quite encouraging because it was actually a standard SD card on the one I've watched. So that alone tells me that I have a newer one. Now, wow, that's light. That's the power supply, and you've got to check on that because the power supply, as you can see, it comes in 230 and 115 volts. So here in the UK we use 230, and it's set to 230. So we are actually good to go. So that's fine. 50, 60 hertz, and that's it. Right, so there's no date on that. No sure whether that'll come out in the software at some point. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that is it. Right, all unpacked, instructions read, kit and screws out, cup of coffee. Let's build it. Right, so as with every job, now at the printing bit, right, now, turn them down. So the first thing is, insert the card. Right, so I've got that, what's it, place the filament spool into, right, so that's got to go into, have I put that on the wrong way? Surely no. Okay, well, that's the switch. Right, let's see, power on. Oh, if I put the power on, Oh! I'm not believing that. It's just blew up.